Alright, so today on the tech bench we have a LS2000, which is a, let's get the tag nice and close here, a Lightning Strike Fieldmaster 2000. From what I could find online about this gun, it's kind of a unicorn. It wasn't really meant to hit the market, or it hit the market, and it was immediately taken off due to copyright and trademark infringements. They were supposed to have been destroyed, but this one and one other that I know of have survived. I've only seen pictures of the other one. The other one's much more complete, but this one is fairly complete. Let's get into it. So, removable barrel with, looks like spider threads almost. Okay, so that comes up. Then the handle, the grip frame, these two screws. That one comes off. So this is literally, it's like part of the trigger. They're really super simple triggers. Boom. Just a spring. And that looks like to be a valve. I did hear it leaking from here, so kind of. Guess we're gonna have to pop these out. So that should slide everything out. So this, from what I could find out on doing research on this, it is a blow forward. Big old spring. Not the biggest spring I've seen, but a big old spring nonetheless. So this thing is pretty much supposed to be like a mag, because it is a blow forward design. I'm just curious what's actually holding this in here. Might be the detent. The spring is, well, it's still springy at least. Just a simple ball detent. So that's where the detent is. Can see some breech wear, I guess you could call it. So it has been fired, which is good. So it was used at one point. So yeah, it's basically just to push you over here like that. And we got the bolt. A little bit rusty, or just some corrosion on it. Not too bad. So in here is like the regulator and all that jazz. And it just twists off. I'm thinking the main problem was just these little tiny O-rings between the frame and the body was leaking. Really not much to this. The reg should be okay. I did find a video on how to take these apart, but I don't really think I need to. Should be okay. There's really no O-rings in here, so yeah. Because apparently this reg in here was pretty much the reason why this thing got taken off of shelves, because it was a direct copy of an equalizer or some some other gun. I'll have to look it up again. So I wasn't able to find a O-ring that's thin enough to fit on there. So we're just gonna try to see if we can rejuvenate it with some oils and grease. So I did find out what marker this one basically is. A Sheridan equalizer is what it was, pretty much one-for-one copied off of, minus some naming, and that's about it. Alright, let's toss this back in here. Ow. So I'm going to see if I can just drop some oil in there for those guys. Oh my god. Alright. And now the fun part. You gotta hold it just right. Alright, we got her back together. Apparently, it has a super terrible long trigger pull, but we'll find that out pretty soon here. Really, actually pretty simple gun. Here, let's put some air to it. See if it leaks. Yep, leaks. Alright, so what I had to do was there's two tiny O-rings underneath here. I basically had to push the one further in so it actually would seat. They both kind of didn't seat perfectly, so I got them plugged in better now. I tightened, like actually really tightened down these so that the valve that's in the trigger is actually on it. There we go. But yeah, it does not leak. Like, I cannot hear a single leak coming out of this thing. So, yeah, that thing, it's really simple. No idea why this thing has like a little door on the bottom. If anybody can tell me that in the comments, why there's this little trap door. There is a... Must be able to change your grip or something, but yeah, kind of curious to see if this thing will actually shoot now. So let's go do that. But it does look pretty sexy. Like, for such a simple marker, it is really kind of cool looking. One thing I'm guessing too is that this little screw here is the velocity adjustment. Not 100% sure, but we can definitely try it out. Now we have the unicorn, the Lightning Strike 2000. Look at that. Still has the tag on from the store. Don't know why, but it had duct tape on this, because, well, it probably would have fallen off by now. But yeah, Lightning Storm 2000. The unicorn gun, the gun that was pretty much supposed to be destroyed from my research from M. Carter Brown and all these other places. But let's see if she shoots. Alright. Like I said, I dumped them in there and had the barrel down. There. Does seem to be leaking a little, but seals up right away again. I think I broke some down the tip of the barrel, which, well, at least it's just a barrel break. Yeah, let's try this one more time. Let's get some chrono numbers on this thing. The trigger pull is kind of very weird. Not overly heavy, but you cannot shoot it fast. Like, I'll kind of show you here without paint, because I don't want to make a mess. There, I short stroked it. Otherwise, it shoots pretty good. Like, see if I can somehow do this. Oh, this is not gonna work. Oh, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to chrono this, but let's have some more shots with it. Looks about 250, 230. It's a good shooting gun. Like, this might not make it back. I kind of have a thing for unicorns. Unicorn gun, that is. This thing's pretty cool. Slap a different barrel on it. Might see if it's what threads it is, because it's got those threads. But yeah. This is kind of a cool thing. I kind of want to keep this one, just because it's so weird. It does need an adapter for the feed neck, so I can actually put a hopper on. But otherwise, this has been the unicorn that is the Lightning Strike Field Met. What does it say on the tag here? Let's get the old Lightning Strike Fieldmaster 2000. And this is definitely, most definitely a gem of the paintball internet.